So how did I become this from this? It's simple. I went on a ketogenic diet. Sugar and carbs are the topmost no-nos in the ketogenic diet. But I'm a sweet tooth, so how did I survive? I researched, experimented, tweaked, and after countless trials, I perfected one of my favorite desserts, cheesecakes. Now how cool is that? Now I can have my cheesecakes and eat them too. Join me as I teach you my secrets in making this ultra-delicious, guilt-free keto cheesecakes. Only here at the Bailiwick Academy.